This is Coco. She's the love of my life. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, Coco. Hey everyone. So that was my kitten Coco, and unfortunately, I'm sorry to say that she did pass away earlier this month. I'm about to cry. She was literally the best cat in the world. We don't know what happened, but long story short, she ended up showing up on our back porch after being outside, and her hind legs stopped working. And when we got her to the doctor, basically, I'm skipping through everything, she wasn't gonna make it. So we ended up making the hard decision to have her put down. But she was in so much pain that I didn't want to do that to her. So I miss my Coco so bad. You guys have no idea. It was so hard on the whole family, and I didn't think that I would ever take like a pet death that hard, because I've had other animals, but when they pass away, they either ran away or they just like disappeared. So I never had to do that with an animal, put it down, and it was just like really hard on me. So yeah, her birthday is St. Patrick's Day, so she would have been 1. So I wanted to like dedicate this video to Coco, and I miss her so much. And yeah, so if you guys are celebrating St. Patrick's Day, please make sure you have a designated driver before you leave. Please do not drink and drive. It is so dangerous, not just for you, but for other people. Please consider that. It ain't all about you, okay? Have your fun, and if you have to, stay the night somewhere or get an Uber or have someone drive you home, because it's not worth it, you guys. And yeah, so please be safe this weekend, and I hope you like this video. I try to make something like wearable but still glam, you know what I mean? So I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because it really helps me out and I appreciate it. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.